Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another brand new tutorial on Tkinter. In today's video we'll start learning about radio buttons. Now radio buttons are a way that are somewhat similar actually to combo box. They provide a predefined set of options for the user to select from. So without further ado, let's get started with coding some radio buttons. The first thing we need to do is start by importing Tkinter. So import Tkinter as tk, then create our window. Window will be tk.tk. Give the window a title. So window.title will be radio button, and at the end window.main loop. And now we will start creating some radio buttons. So rb equal to tk.radio button. Of course we need to add it to the window, and of course some text. So text will be option 1, and that's it. rb dot back. Let's run it and see what kind of output we get. Wait for it, and here's our option. So option 1, radio button. Unlike checkboxes, checkbox you can select or deselect any individual check button or checkbox. So in Tkinter you need multiple radio buttons, and you can select one of them, but you cannot select none of them. So this is confusing. Let me show you more in this example. rb2 will equal to tk. Let me just copy and paste. This will be easier. Copy, so paste and paste. This will be 2, and this is 3, 2, 3, and even here this will be 3 and 3. Let's run, and you can see all of them have been checked, but we have multiple. So how do we fix that? We fix that, of course, with a variable. So we need a variable. We create variable, and this variable will be tk dot string var, and here we add variable equal var. I will copy that, paste and paste. This should be actually 2. Run it one more time, and you can see nothing still changed, because we need another piece of information, which is value. Now value, this value will be 0, and let's go to the end. Value will be 1 or 2, and here value will be 3. Now since I am using here integers, so you can use strings for the value. Let me show you that, or I will show you both ways. So let me run it here first. You can see that now I can choose any single one of them. Now if I want to take the value, let me create a button here very quickly. Button equal tk button, and add the window. Some text will be text, and command will be command. Why not? I will define command, print that screen. So print var dot get. Now if I run, I will get an error, most likely. Sorry, I did not back this. btn dot back. Now let's run it, and text, I get 2. So no error, this is good. Getting 3, getting 0. We can use strings. So the string 1, string 2, and finally string 3. Let's run it one more time. Text and string 1, string 3. So very easy, very simple to do. By now you have noticed that by default, once we run the application, all the options are selected. This is not the kind of behavior we want in our application. So what we need to do is change the string var to int var, and don't use strings. Now I showed you that you can, but do not. So use numbers, and here, so that 1, 2, and finally 3. Now let's run, and no value is selected by default. Now we can select anyone and get its value. So that's it. That's how we do it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.